What is up, YouTube? Ruben here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows Powered in VirtualBox. So you're going to need VirtualBox 7-zip or WinRAR. It's going to be a RAR file, and you're also going to need. I'm also going to put the EverythingEpan link in the video description. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, Windows Powered is essentially a version of Windows 2000 that was based out of Windows 2000 Advanced Server, I think. Maybe Windows 2000 Server. And it was designed to run on higher end hardware, even though you could technically run 128 megabytes on this, or in this case I'll put up 256 megabytes for this tutorial. And it's essentially used to run on higher end servers that can run Windows 2000 Server or Advanced Server. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to click on New, and you're going to type in Windows Powered, and you're going to set it as Windows 2000, then hit Next. I'm going to bump up my RAM to 256 megabytes, then hit Next. Create, next, and I'm going to save it in a different location. Then hit create. Now hit settings, storage, click on the empty optical drive, and you're going to look for your Windows Powered image file. Mine is located right here. It's based out of Windows 2000. Then click OK, then hit OK, and then hit start. In most VirtualBox tutorials that run Windows 2000 or set as Windows 2000, it will come up with like Guru errors if you have like Windows 2000 betas. It's gonna start up Windows 2000, but in reality it's Windows Powered. Once you're here, just hit enter, F8, enter, and then you're gonna hit enter on format the partition using the NTFS file system. It's gonna format the drive. Then it's gonna examine your drive to make sure you don't have any bad sectors, and now it's gonna copy files. So it's not gonna take that long, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, so I'll be back. Alright, we're ready to restart, so hit enter. Do not hit any key to boot from the CD. Otherwise you'll go to a constant loop, and now it's going to start Windows Powered. It's going to say Windows 2000 Server, but in reality it's Windows Powered. You'll see it on the logon screen. Please wait. You will need a product key for this one. Once you're here, just click on Next, and now it's going to detect devices on the computer or the virtual machine. So please wait. Mine may not take that long. Sometimes it may take longer, sometimes it may not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, so I'll be back. Once you're here, just click on Next, and type in your name, and hit Next. Someone's coming in. And now I'm going to enter in the product key, so I'll be back. Alright, if this shows up, make sure it's set to per server instead of per seat. Then hit Next. I'm going to type in Windows Powered. Then hit Next. Then hit Next. Next. It's now going to do networking settings. So it's going to install network components. Then click on Next, then make sure you're set to work group, and then hit Next. now I'm going to copy files. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause it, so I'll be back. Alright, we're ready to hit finish, but before you do that, make sure you take your disk off. Your VirtualBox response. There you go. Then click on finish. It's now gonna start Windows powered. Again, it's based out of Windows 2000 server, and as you can see, it says Windows powered. Then hit right control delete, and then hit enter. And it should log you in. If this shows up, just click on I will configure this server later, then hit next, and then do not show the screen at startup, and then close. Now, if you right click my computer, hit properties, it's still going to say Windows 2000 5.0 build 2195 Service Pack 3. In reality, it's Windows powered. If you hit WinRAR and type WinRAR, it should say Windows powered. So that's how to install Windows powered in VirtualBox. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon while you upload new videos. Please be sure to hit the follow button on Instagram or Twitter. So that's it. That's how to install Windows powered in VirtualBox. So I'll see you next time.